Hello and welcome to the MedTech Expo here at the NEC in Birmingham in the UK. Today we're exhibiting a number of different manufacturers including Startek. Startek are our partner for small format industrial TFT displays. They've been around for several years and have such a wide range of displays for industrial use. Smallest one that they have in the range is 0.96 inch and they go all the way up to 43. We've got 6 of their finest here today. Starting with 3.8 inch, 4, 4.3 and 5 in various guises, including standard touch and custom touch as well. Along the bottom here we've got a touchscreen demo, and here we have a lovely transflective 5 inch. The range from Startek is so vast that it's very hard to show exactly what displays they can offer, but they have such a wide range, from the traditional formats like you say here, to the circles, to the bar types, and even to the flexible OLEDs. If you'd like more information, there is more information on the website which you can access using the links below, and we'll be happy to discuss your project.